Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c cubed plus c square equals to 810, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here first you focus in the right hand side, and here you see that we have 810. So now we convert this 810 into the terms of cube, into the sum of cube and square terms. Okay, so now here first we write this 810 as we write this as 81 times of 10. Okay, here we easily break this 810, we write in this form. And after this step, you see here we write this 81 as 9 square multiplied by, we write this 10 as 9 plus 1. And further you see here we need to multiply this 9 square on both of these terms, and it will be written as 9 square multiplied by 9 plus 9 square multiplied by 1. Okay, so we multiply 9 square on both of these terms, and now here you see that bases are same, so we add its exponents. So 9 square multiplied by 9 becomes 9 cubed, plus this 9 square times 1 equals to 9 square. So here this is the simplified form of 810, and now we need this equation number 1. We call this is equation number 1. So here we replace the value of 810 in this equation. So when you substitute the value of 810 in the right hand side of the given equation, it will be written as, so here you see that equation number 1 is implies that so here our equation number 1 is c cubed plus c square equals to 810, and it is equals to 9 cubed plus 9 square. Okay, so further you see here we need to rearrange the terms so that we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side. So it will be written as c cubed plus c square and minus 9 cubed minus 9 square equals to 0. So after this step, here we need to make the pair of cubic term and square term. So we have the cubic terms are c cubed minus 9 cubed, and the square terms are c square minus 9 square, and this whole equals to 0. Okay, so further here we need two nice formulas in order to proceed this equation. So first we have the cubic formula is written as in this way. If you have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the first cubic formula, and after that we need the square identity, and we know that if you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Okay, so here we need these two formulas so that our above equation will be written as in this form. So first we apply the cubic formula on the first term. So after applying the cubic formula, our first term should be written as in this form. This is c cubed minus 9 cubed. It is equals to c minus 9 times of c square plus c into 9 minus 9 square, and plus we have this is c square minus 9 square. So we have c square will be written as c square minus 9 written as c minus 9 into c plus 9, and this whole is equals to 0. Okay, so further we need to simplify this equation, and now you see here we have c minus 9 be the common factor, so that here we need to take common c minus 9, and the remaining terms are, here you get c square plus c, and 9 becomes 9c minus sorry, this is plus, so plus 9 square equals to 81. And when you take common c minus 9 here, so you obtain the remaining terms are c plus 9, and this whole equals to 0. Okay, so after this step we need some simplification, so that we write it as c minus 9 into c square, and you have this is 9c plus c becomes here 10c, and 81 plus 9 equals to 90, and this is equals to 0. So after this step here we need to break this equation into the two cases, so that our first case is we take c minus 9 equals to 0, and we take the second case is c square plus 10c plus 90 equals to 0. So from the first case you get the value of c is equals to 9, and from the second case you see here we have this is the quadratic equation, and now here we need to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So that first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 10, and d equals to 90. Okay, so here I can just replace c by d because we have c already involved in the given question statement, so we replace the c by d. So according to this we state the quadratic formula as c is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of a d, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula. And now here we need to put the values of a, b, and d here. So it will be written as c is equals to minus b, the value of b is 10 plus minus square root of b square, so b is 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and d is 90, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So here we need more simplifications, so that we write it as minus 10 and plus minus square root of 10 square equals to 100, minus 4 times of 90 equals to 360, divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So here we again write this equation as c plus minus square root of, this will be written as 100 minus 360 becomes minus 260, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so further we need more simplifications, and here we break this square root sign. So now we place the square root on negative term and the number 260 as well. So it will be written as minus 10 plus minus square root of 260 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So further we have minus 10 plus minus square root of, we write this 260 as 65 times of 4, and we know that minus 1 square root equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so further we break this square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as minus 10 plus minus square root of 65, and we know that the square root of 4 becomes here 2 into iota. And now we break this fraction and we write these 2 separately on both of these terms. So you see that this 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other, so these 2 5s are 10, and finally we get the other two roots of the given equation are minus 5 plus minus square root of 65 into iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and its one root is real root, and it is c is equals to 9. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.